Hey there, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can apply for a credit card from Capital One from your bank. From your PC. So first we need to open a browser. I'm using Firefox. You can use any browser like. So on the address bar or the search bar, you're going to type in Capital One. And you're going to click in the first link that loads up from Capital One. And this is a homepage of their bank, so their site. So since we're applying for a credit card, we're going to click on credit card right here. So now you're gonna scroll down and look at this. Show me cards for business. So if you're a businessman or you need a credit card for a business purpose, look at all these cards that are basically tuned for businesses. You can click on it and see what cards are with different merits. So let's say you're a traveler. So you need something with travel points. These are the cards that are basically for traveling purposes. Or you're a student, and these are for students. So let's say I'm just going with popular right now. So when you select or when you think this is a card for you or this is a card for me, you're gonna click on apply now. Then a form appears. You're gonna fill up this form and click on continue. And then this is a pre-form, let's say. So another form will open, and you need to fill that form. It will show you terms and conditions, and you have to read them and agree to them. And just like that, you will be applied for a credit card. If you like this content, make sure you like, share, and subscribe the channel. Thank you.